Welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of, giving a product at the time of group loan creation. So this usually happens in the joint liability group concept, and every member of the group gets a product. For example, like a pressure cooker or a wet grinder or a mixer. So every member of the group gets a product along with the loan. So let's see how that can be done. First of all, I have a group created here, okay, that needs to be published. First of all, I'm going to view members. There are 4 members in this group. I'm going to publish this group. Okay. Once this group is published, I can create a loan from here. But before creating a loan, we'll have to create our stock of products. That can be done from here. For example, I create a ledger of say under the parent group stock in hand. Okay. And then in ledger name, I'm just going to say this is pressure cooker product, and I'm going to save here. This way I've created other products as well: grinder, stove, washing machine. Okay. Now, where can we add the purchase value? So for that, you'll have to go into accounting, journal entry. Just do a journal entry for today's date. Say I'm purchasing it today. So here you will have to debit the product, say for 1 lakh, and I've purchased these pressure cookers with the help of cash. So if you have done it with given the money from bank, you can select bank here. Now here for purchase of pressure cookers, okay, and mode of payment is cash. Now I'm just going to save this entry here. Once this is saved, we can create the loan. So I'm just going to go and search the group and create a loan. Say this is a 20,000 loan, 1% rate of interest for 12 months. And I'm going to disburse it by cash. Now this is additional setting which says I'm going to disburse it today and my first installment starts from today only. Now, for fees and charges, I'm just going to delete this tax applicable GST part and say I have a processing fee. Actually, I want to increase the processing fee. So I'm just going to add a processing fee of say 1,000 rupees. Okay, add it, and then I'm going to add my what you say product here. Say pressure cooker of 5,000 each. And then I'm going to add that as well. So what is going to happen? This amount will be deducted from your loan amount and then the loan will be disbursed. Going to calculate this. So 20,000 minus 6,000, that is 14,000 is the disbursement amount. Now I'm just going to save this. So 4 loans will be saved because this is a group loan. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this. Okay. So 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This way 4 loans have been created. So let's see loan number 25. Here you can see this is the customer summary. Okay. This is the loan summary. Now 20,000 was the disbursement. This is the interest. Okay. Now let's see the charges that we had applied, processing fee and the product charges. So that you can see here, that has been deducted from their principal. That is deducted from this 20,000 at the time of disbursement. So where can you get a report of this stock that you have added? You can get it from business summary account statement. Okay. Here you can see for every product, you can see that there is you'll get a statement. So we had for pressure cooker, right? So let's select pressure cooker and refresh. So you'll see purchase was for 1 lakh, and for every member, per member, it's deducted 5,000. So right now, with respect to pressure cooker, the balance is 80,000. Okay. So friends, this way, you know, um, we can add products, or keep the stock maintained for the products that you give at the time of group loan. So friends, this way, a lot of new features are coming up in Jainam software. So I suggest you take our 15 days trial version, and also subscribe our YouTube channel, where you'll get all the latest videos and you can watch all the latest updates. Do visit our website, which is www.jainamsoftware.com. And friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.